In Apple iPhone, in your keyboard, you can add some shortcuts and replace it with other text. For example, I am opening my keyboard. After opening my keyboard, I am typing ASD. After typing that, I am long pressing on the space button. When I am long pressing, you can see different words here. If you want to set these shortcuts, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about text replacement in Apple iPhone keyboard. For this, first what we need to do is open settings. After opening settings, you can see general option, click on general. In general, you can see one option keyboard, click on keyboard. In keyboard, you can see one option text replacement. Here, if you want to add new shortcut, what you need to do is click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, first you can see phrase. Here you need to type the word which you want to replace, and here you can see shortcut. Here you can enter the shortcut. It's better to be short. For example, I am typing ZXC. After that, above you can see save button, click on this save button. Now it is saved. After that, if I am opening keyboard and typing ZXC, and after that, if I am long pressing on the space button, you can see that word here. So this way you can easily enable text replacement in Apple iPhone keyboard. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.